Every once in a while, you'll want to clear your voicemail inbox. And on iPhone, there's a couple of easy ways to delete voicemails. First, let's go to the phone app and find the voicemails. If your phone app is set to the classic layout, you'll see a voicemail tab on the bottom right. Tap that to view your voicemails. Here, you have a few ways to delete voicemails. You can tap any voicemail to open it, and then tap the trash can icon to delete it. Easy enough. You can also tap and hold a voicemail, and from the options that open up, choose Delete. Or you can swipe left on any voicemail, and you'll see a trash can icon appear. Tap the trash can, or just swipe all the way to the left, and the voicemail gets deleted. If your phone app is set to the unified layout, you won't have that separate voicemail tab. You'll want to go to the Calls tab first, and then tap the little filter button in the top right corner to filter your view to voicemails only. Then you can use the same steps to delete voicemails. If you want to delete a lot of them at once, use the Edit button in the top left corner, select multiple messages, and delete them all at once. You can also long press number 1 on your keypad to call your carrier's voicemail inbox directly and follow the voice prompts to delete messages there. Click the like button if this helped and subscribe for more easy guides like this.